Before we start this deep dive, you should know that help is available throughout the user interface. Clicking the help question marks opens small pop-ups that explain each feature. Usually, the help is in the form of a 1-minute video. If you open the controls of the video, you can view it full screen. We also offer extensive online documentation, including videos, which you can access by clicking the guide button in the header. The card section gives you access to your spaced repetition flashcards, enabling you to perform various actions we'll explore in this video. You can also create new flashcards in the cards section and import flashcards in bulk. When you create flashcards in the cards section, you can manually add source links to web pages and online videos. To apply a bulk action to some or all of your flashcards, first you have to select them. When you select one or more flashcards, the sorting control will disappear and be replaced by the bulk action buttons. If you want to select all the downloaded flashcards, click this checkbox to the left of the sorting control. To select a subset of your flashcards, click their checkboxes individually or shift-click to select flashcards as a continuous group. You'll see the number you've selected displayed on the Deselect button. The most used of these bulk actions is the Practice button. Use this to take your selected flashcards into a practice session. It's important to realize that you can practice any of your flashcards whenever you wish. We often refer to this as an ad hoc practice to differentiate it from a spaced retrieval practice session, which is the practice of the subset of your flashcards that the SmarterHumans spaced repetition algorithm has scheduled to be due for practice today. To initiate that type of practice, click the Practice button in the sidebar or footer if you are on a smaller screen. You should use tags to organize your flashcards and library content. The Tags bulk action shows you which tags some or all of the selected flashcards have. You can remove any of these tags from the selection set by clicking the X, and you can add new tags to the selected flashcards. The Share action enables you to share the selected flashcards with one or more of your groups. The Groups feature is beyond the scope of this video. Just know that our Groups feature allows you to collaborate with classmates, colleagues, or, if you are a teacher, to share flashcards, library content, and notes with your students. When you snooze flashcards, they will not be scheduled for spaced repetition practice sessions before the snooze date. After the snooze period ends, the ones that would have otherwise appeared for scheduled practice will be due immediately, while the others will appear when their originally scheduled date arrives. Flashcards for foreign language words or for terms with definitions are often worth practicing in both the forward and backward directions. For example, being shown the term and having to recall its definition is standard practice, but it may also be worthwhile to be shown the definition and having to recall the term. When a flashcard is set to reversible, our spaced repetition algorithm will treat the two directions as separate flashcards even though only a single copy of the flashcard appears in the list. Each direction will be individually scheduled based on your performance, and you will never be shown both directions in the same practice session. The Reverse button lets you apply or remove this reversible feature to selected flashcards. You can delete flashcards, which will initially be moved to the trash. You can return deleted flashcards to the active flashcards list from the trash. Flashcards in the trash of free users are permanently removed from their accounts after 3 days, and for subscribers, after 60 days. If you click on a flashcard, a form opens for editing. Our standard flashcard is a question and answer type. We also offer a powerful alternative we call redaction flashcards. Click this help question mark to watch a short video about them. The question and answer fields have extensive rich text editing and many features, including adding images, syntax formatting of computer code, and creation of scientific, math, and chemistry formulas. You can even record audio for questions and answers, which will be autoplayed during practice sessions. You can add tags to or remove tags from an existing flashcard. Existing tags will be auto-suggested as you type. Click to add them. If you wish to create and add a new tag, type it in full and then hit the Enter key. The source link opens the location in the source material where you learned the subject of the flashcard. While this feature's primary use is for refreshing your memory, during practice, you can also click to open it here. We already discussed reversible flashcards, and you can toggle that status here. If you're curious about your practice history for a flashcard, check the response log, and you'll see the date of every practice of this flashcard, along with your response if you typed or recorded one before turning it over and the star rating you issued. Don't forget to save any edits you've made to make them take effect. The Tags panel has a help question mark to give you a quick overview of its benefits. You can stow and open the panel by clicking or using the arrow keys on your keyboard. Near the top of the panel are a series of system tags, and the ones you created are below. You can search and sort your tags. When you click a system tag or one of your custom tags, it is placed in the flashcard search box, and the list is filtered or changed to match that search. Sometimes you may find it helpful to aggregate a set of related tags under a master tag we call a tags group. To create a tags group, click the plus sign, give your tags group a name, and add the tags you want. Your group will appear in the tags list with a double tag icon. When you click a tag group, it will be entered into the flashcards list search box, and the list will be filtered for all matches that possess any one or more of the tags in the group. This enables you to perform a bulk action on every flashcard related to the tags in the tags group. We display the number of flashcards associated with each tag. If no number is shown, the tag is not currently used on a flashcard but may be used in the library or on a note. When you hover over a tag, you'll see a button to take the matching flashcards into practice. All buttons in the app with a rocket icon take the relevant set of flashcards directly into a practice session. If you have performed practice sessions of any flashcards with this tag, you'll see the average star rating for those practices. Using the sorting control, you can reorder your tags list to bring the tags you have had the most difficulty mastering to the top. Then, you can perform extra practice on those flashcards by clicking the rocket button. Clicking the pencil icon enables you to edit the name of the tag. Besides changing the name or fixing a typo, you can merge tags by changing the name of one to match the name of the tag you want to merge with. You can delete a tag by clicking the X and confirming. The tag will be removed, but the flashcards or other items in your account that possess the tag will not be removed. Let's quickly look at the system tags. You can click these to see the flashcards that don't have any tags, all the flashcards that are currently snoozed, or the flashcards you have moved to the trash. When you practice a flashcard, if you wish to perform some action on it sometime later, such as making an edit, you can flag it, and it will end up in the flagged flashcards list. The cloned, never practiced list contains a portion of flashcards you added to your account in bulk. For example, if you import 1,000 flashcards with a CSV file or clone 1,000 flashcards from one of your groups, we will protect you from the overwhelming burden of having them immediately scheduled by the spaced repetition algorithm. We handle this by setting the first 50 up for their first scheduled practice the day after you added them and placing the remainder in the cloned, never practiced list. To initiate scheduled practice for those excess flashcards, open the cloned, never practiced list, search, select, and take them into practice. After that initial practice, the scheduling algorithm takes over. And that was your deep dive into the cards section. The most up-to-date information will always be found by clicking the guide button and checking out our online documentation.